So in this video, we are required to divide each of these terms. Okay, so for A, we have 3x squared minus 8x plus 4 divided by 2x. Because this 2x is a single term, so we can distribute it all through. We can write this as 3x squared minus 8x plus 4 over what? Over 2x. And this will return 3x squared over 2x minus what? 8x over what? 2x plus 4 over what? 2x. So this will return x cancel x. So this will give us 3 over 2x. Excuse me. X cancel x here. Minus 2 here, 1, 2 in 8. That is 4. Then plus what? 2 here, 1, 2 in 4, 2. That's 2 over what? X. So that is that. About that for that one. Then the next one is question B. So for B, let me scroll up a bit. Okay, don't let me lose the question. We have x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 9 divided by x minus 2. We have to be very careful. This is a factor form. So we're going to be using the long division method in simplifying this. So this one, okay, let me put it here. Excuse me. Okay, so we're going to be using long division method. This is the divisor, this is the dividend. So we have x cubed. We have x cubed, right, plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 9. Then divided by x minus what? 2. X minus 2. So I can scroll up now. So all we just be doing is how many x in s cubed? That's like saying s cubed divided by x. That is what? X squared. X squared times x. That is x cubed. Then x squared times minus 2. That gives us minus 2 what? X squared. So all we do is we subtract all through. So this minus will affect everything inside this bracket. S cubed minus s cubed. That is 0. Right? 2 now minus times minus is plus 2x squared plus 2x squared. This will give us what? 4 what? X squared. So the next thing to do, right, is to drop down this minus 5x. Okay, so we continue the division. X in 4x squared, that will give us what? Plus what? 4x. 4x times x, that will give us 4 what? X squared. Then 4x times minus 2, that will give us minus what? 8x. So what do? We subtract. So we subtract 4x squared minus 4x squared, that is 0. Minus times minus, that is plus, right? Minus 5x plus 8x, that will give us what? Plus 3x. All right, so the next thing is to drop down this plus 9. So we have plus 9 here. So x in 3x, that is plus what? 3. Then 3 times x, that is 3x. Then 3 times minus 2, that is minus 6. So what do? We subtract 3 minus 3, that is gone. Minus times minus, that is plus. 9 plus 6, that is what? 15. So there's a remainder. So if we want to present this answer, the result will now be what? S cubed, right, plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 9 divided by x minus 2 gives us a quotient which is what? X squared plus 4x plus 3, and the remainder is what? 15. All right, though the answer may only require that you present the quotient, but it has a remainder, so we have to write out the remainder. So the third question is this. So let me scroll up. 2x cubed minus 15x plus 9 divided by x plus 3. So let me put it here. So for the third one, we have what? 2x cubed, right, minus 15x, right, plus 9, right, close bracket, divided by, right, x plus 3. Now let me make something clear. Whenever we are using long division method in polynomial follow a certain order. For example, ax 4 plus bx 3 plus cx 2 plus dx plus f, as it were. You can see that 4, 3, 2, 1 and stuff like that. So, but if you look at this, it is not complete. We only have x cubed here, so meaning that x square is missing. So that x square is missing, we assume that it has been multiplied by 0. So if I want to rewrite this, I will rewrite this as what? 2x cubed plus 0x square minus 15x plus 9 divided by x plus 3. Okay, so now let's now introduce a long division in a method. So by dividing it, we have, dividing we have 2x cubed plus 0x square minus 15x plus 9. So here we have x plus 3. X in 2x cubed, that will give us what? 2x square. So 2x square times x, that will give us 2x what? Cube. Then 2x square times 3, that will give us what? 6x square plus 6x square, right? So the next thing is we what? Subtract. So we subtract all through. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, that is 0, that is gone. Minus times 6x squared, that's minus 6x squared. So 0x squared minus 6x squared, that will give us what? Minus 6x squared. So the next thing is to bring down minus 15x minus 15 what? X. So x in minus 6x squared, that will give us what? Minus 6 what? X. Minus 6x times x, that will give us minus 6x squared. Minus 6x times 3, that will give us what? Minus what? 18x. So we do what again? We subtract, okay? So we subtract minus times minus plus, minus 6x squared plus 6x squared, that is 0. Minus times minus, that's plus, minus 15x plus 18x, that will give us what? 3x, okay? So the next thing is to drop down this plus 9, okay? So x in 3x, that is what? Plus what? 3. Then 3 times x, that will give us 3x. Then 3 times 3, that is what? 9. So the next thing is to introduce subtraction. So this will affect everything. This is 0 and this is what? 0. So at the end of it, we can say that, so therefore, 2x cubed, right, minus 15x plus 9 divided by what? X plus 3, right, will be equal to what? That is 2x squared minus 6x plus 3. That's the final answer because there is no remainder. The remainder is 0. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.